Yeah, sure. See you in a couple of minutes. Thank you, bye. Okay, I got like 10 minutes before I hop on a call. But I just have to watch this YouTube video. It's trending, my competitors made it, and I need to know what they're doing so that I can report it to my team. But I really don't want to sit through a 25-minute video. I don't have that time. So I built a tool that does that for me in seconds. As a content creator, I often analyze YouTube content, competitor videos, user feedback, positive and negative comments, and honestly, it takes forever. So I started asking myself, why am I manually doing something that AI can do faster, better, and probably without needing caffeine? That's when I decided to build this. I call it the YouTube Video Analyzer. Just paste the YouTube URL and it gives you a clean natural language summary, a structured analysis of themes and insights, a sentiment overview of the whole comment section, and a breakdown of negative versus positive feedback in seconds. It's like having a research intern that actually likes reading the comments. Under the hood, it's a combo of Python, Streamlit, and Hugging Face APIs. Every part is modular. The transcript gets shortened, analyzed, and rewritten. And same for the comments. Biggest challenge though, balancing speed and depth. Summarizing transcripts without losing the meaning takes a lot of effort. Also, Hugging Face tokens run out fast. So I had to be smart about batching calls and choosing lightweight models. And finally, getting the tone of the comment rewriter to not sound so robotic. That was a whole agent-based trick I had to pull off. We're flooded with video contents, but understanding them all in a short time is still hard. This still helps creators, marketers, and product folks like me to extract insights fast and act on them even faster. Next step, I'm planning to make this open source, add support for more languages, and maybe even plug it into Stack for Teams. And finally, if you like this breakdown, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so that the next time I'm posting a video, you'll be notified first. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to like it and drop a comment for me and let me know what feature should I add next. Thanks for watching and see you in the next build.